And now we're here with James, one of the co-directors of this program. Now in your hands you have a really neat looking car, so tell us about this aspect of this program that's really fun.
Yeah, so one of the things that we're focused on in the kind of the engineering realm is how pieces and parts all fit together and how they work. And so one of the fun projects that we have students work on is a 3D printed race car, and they design all of the gears, and they're dealing with all the assembly fits and how things go together, and then they get to go ahead and race them. They also end up 3D printing a shell that goes over it, and get to figure out how all of those pieces and parts fit together. So
Sure.
it ends up being a really good learning experience, and they enjoy it.
Yeah, what exactly are the students getting out of this sort of hands-on project?
A lot of times when you build something in the computer, it's not it goes together in the computer, but when you actually
Hold it
convert
and feel it sort of in your hands.
yeah, convert it into a physical shape, then you see so many more things come to light.
The light bulb goes off.
Yep, they get to understand how things need to like really go together, and some of the tolerances and all of those things that are really key and important in the design world.